Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage a side hustle with YouTube step by step clearly. Start by identifying your passion or expertise that you want to share on YouTube. Conduct research to determine if there's an audience for your chosen niche. Create a content plan outlining video topics, upload frequency, and publication dates. Invest in basic equipment like a camera, microphone, and lighting to improve video quality. Familiarize yourself with video editing software to enhance your content. Record your first video, ensuring you engage your audience and provide value. Edit the video to create a polished final product that reflects your brand. Optimize your video title, description, and tags for search visibility. Create visually appealing thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Ensure you promote your videos on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and encouraging discussions. Analyze your video performance using YouTube Analytics to understand what works. Continuously improve your content based on viewer feedback and analytics insights. Set a realistic schedule to balance your full-time job and YouTube commitments. Consider networking with other YouTubers or creators to expand your reach. Stay consistent with your uploads to maintain audience interest and engagement. Be patient, as growth takes time and persistence is key to success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.